Hello again YouTube, it's Mr. Analytical here, the YouTuber of all things Galaxy Watch, and today I've got an unboxing of the super new Galaxy Watch 3, so I'm really excited to have a look and see what's in the box. Inside here we have not one but two Galaxy Watch 3s. Look at the box. We've got the Galaxy Watch 45mm and we've got the Galaxy Watch 41mm. So we've got two of the colours, Mystic Silver in the 41mm, Mystic Black in the 45mm, and the black is only available in the 45, so if you do like the black look, you're going to have to go for the 45mm watch. So most likely that's going to be my watch of choice. I have bought these two watches with my own money. Let's go ahead and get them out of the box and see what we have inside. So for now I'm going to set aside the 41mm and go ahead and open the 45. You'll notice the box is a completely different style than before. It has some nice hologram writing on the side. It's a lot thinner. The previous boxes were nice, chunky. You feel like you're getting more for your money with the previous Galaxy Watch box. It's a big chunky box, whereas this one's thin and it feels less substantial. But let's hope the contents are equally as good. So popping it open, we've got the new Galaxy Watch 3 in Mystic Black. So it's a very nice looking watch, as you can see, with a leather strap this time, so it's an interesting choice by Samsung here, because if you're like myself and you have to wash hands a lot, this strap stands well to the water, whereas this one I'm going to have to probably swap out for a silicone band. So there's nice premium stitching on the back. You do have the same 22mm connection. Old watch straps from your Galaxy Watch will work on the new Samsung watch. In the back of the watch you can see there a 45mm stainless steel case. We've got Gorilla Glass DX, we've got 5 atmospheres of water pressure. It's got the mil standard on there, GPS. So you do have the back key, the home and the power key. They've engraved on the button the letters Galaxy Watch, and the bottom button has a small recessed button press there. You can just see a little microphone hole here, probably quite hard to see on the black body. You have another little pressure vent down at the base here. Again, we've got this elegant design outlined with this rotating bezel. The bezel is unique to Samsung. It does prevent the screen getting smudged with your fingerprints all over the screen when you can use the bezel a little bit. You've got your optical heart rate sensor in the centre. At the top you have a little atmospheric pressure sensor, and you can also see the speaker here, 2 little slots for the speaker. So this is the Bluetooth model, so it has the GPS and Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and it has NFC, so you can use Samsung Pay again on this watch. The display is a Super AMOLED 1.4 inch display with a 360 by 360 pixel resolution, and then we've got the 1.15 gig processor. It's a dual core. We have available memory of 4.3 gigabytes. There's 8 gigabytes on the watch, but only 4.3 of those are available for your storing your watch faces and the likes. The 45mm version has a 340 milliamp hour battery, so that's supposed to give a typical use time of over 56 hours. That's going by Samsung. It just depends how much you're using the watch and the way you've it connected, and whether you've location enabled and so on, whether or not you get the full 56 hours out of the watch. So that's the watch itself. Let's have a look at what's inside the outer box. We've got the charging lead, we've got the typical Samsung warranty card, and we've got the quick start guide. So that's all that's in the box. So it's time, I think, to try it on my wrist and see how it looks. So there we go, that's it on the wrist. I'll have to play around a wee bit with strap position. So all in all, not a bad looking watch, and you can adjust the second band to actually grip the strap. Let's power it up and see what happens. So it's Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 is the first thing you see on the screen. So that's us into the watch face now. The bigger screen actually does stand out if you look at the previous Galaxy Watch. So just to compare side by side there, you can see there's quite a big difference in the screen size. The bezel has been moved out to the outside, leaving more room for the screen. So I'm quite happy with that. I think I will just quickly give you a tour of the watch. We have the swipe down menus, we've got all the different modes like good night mode, do not disturb mode, and the settings shortcut, power off shortcut, and various different icons that we'll explore on another video. Back button brings you back to your watch screen. So pressing your home button brings you into recent apps. So you can see there then all the apps that are loaded on the watch. and you'll be able to flick through those by rotating the bezel, or you can swipe the screen to go from side to side. And again, we can explore these apps in another video. From your home screen, you can swipe from the left to the right, and that will show you any notifications. So if you did get a WhatsApp message or something, it would come up on this screen, and you could swipe to dismiss that notification, and you'll be able to reply on there as well. And again, we'll explore that in another video. But swiping to the right, then you have what are called widget screens. So you can set up as many of these as you want in whatever order you want. You've got your exercise widget, your weather widget, and your calendar, your music player, and then you have your sleep settings, and then of course you can add widgets, so you can see all the different widgets you can have. So guys, that's a quick look at what's in the box of the new Galaxy Watch 3. Pretty sure I'm going to be happy with this watch, although I will be pretty sure also that I'll take off this strap and try a different one. I will do a comparison in terms of features to the Galaxy Watch at some stage in the near future. You guys will be able to decide whether it's worth upgrading at this point or not. We'll be able to explore and get to know this watch like we've done with the previous two. And if you're interested in the 41mm, that's the 41mm on my wrist, and you can see it's another really nice watch. It is quite a bit smaller, so that would suit either the people with smaller hands or smaller arms, or the ladies amongst us. And of course you can get it in the rose gold option, which would be very nice and a good choice for the ladies. And just to see it beside the 45, you can see there is a significant size difference. Both beautiful watches. So that's in both in always on mode, and that's in both as the same screen. It's good to be back on YouTube with a new interesting watch to explore and get to know together. If you've just bought the Galaxy Watch 3 or you're considering buying the Galaxy Watch 3, this is a good channel to watch, because a lot of channels will do a review and a quick unboxing, and you'll never hear anything more about the Galaxy Watch 3. Whereas on this channel, you're going to hear nothing only about the Galaxy Watch 3 for a while, as we get to know it and work out all the benefits and all the features. So folks, thanks very much for watching. That's the Galaxy Watch 45mm and the Galaxy Watch 41mm unboxed, and a first quick look. Don't forget to drop your comments below if you've any questions on the watches and their features, and we will continue to explore them and get to know them together. So thanks again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit a little thumbs up there to keep me going. Chat soon. See you in the next video. Bye bye.